Alright guys, I'm only doing this once, and you can see we're on a 98 Toyota 4runner, 3.4 liter, 6 cylinder, and I've just taken off the oil pan. Alright, would probably believe this is the first time it's ever been done. Just never had a problem, but it had oil leaks. I don't know if you can see with the light or not, but all back on the sides, all around it, but below and at the split line mostly, because I had already taken care of a leak. But if you look at the split line, you don't see as much gasket material, and whenever you do, you see that there are oil waves in the split line right under either where the sealant is or should be. So, because it does not take gasket, is the main thing. What's the flashlight? Here it is. But I pulled it straight down, and I just broke the seal right before I started this video. But you see how it's really oily. So it's the first time it's ever been done. But what I also have to say is, from the manual, and looking at the diagram, you'll see that there's a flywheel housing cover and a dust cover. And they are very misleading when you look at it underneath, because it looks like it runs all the way up as a whole circular piece, but it's not when you look at the diagram. So if you take those 4 bolts off, 12 millimeter, and this is for the VZ FE engine, automatic transmission, no 4-wheel drive. I repeat, not a 4-wheel drive. So there are steps in here that you don't have to do, and certain bolts that you don't have to take off that you would think from the diagram. But the starter coil and starter wire harness is the main thing. And then take off that dust cover, and you can pull it on down. And as long as it's not a 4-wheel drive, and it's very easy sealant fix on split line. But make sure you don't use any sharp blades. Don't cut the split line. Clean it up with non-abrasive Brillo pad or hone-in stone. So